Caviar has unveiled its stunning custom versions of the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Tri-Folding Smartphone. Launched earlier this month in China, this extraordinary device is available in the rich colors collection, featuring two breathtaking models, Black Dragon and Gold Dragon. The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate starts at a base price of CNY 19,999, around $2,850. But Caviar's customized versions take luxury to a whole new level. The Black Dragon model is inspired by the Xuanlong Dragon from Chinese mythology, wrapped in exquisite black crocodile leather that mimics the dragon's scales, adorned with elegant gold-plated details. On the other hand, the Gold Dragon model is a true showstopper, entirely covered in 24,000 gold and featuring a surface texture reminiscent of imperial swords from Longquan. Known for its rich sword forging heritage, Caviar is producing only 88 units of each model, as the number 88 holds significant cultural luck in China. The Black Dragon version comes in various storage options: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB, priced at $12,770, $13,200, and $13,630, respectively. The Gold Dragon model, reflecting its opulence, is priced at $14,500, $14,930, and $15,360. Currently, the standard Huawei Mate XT Ultimate is exclusive to China, with an international launch expected in Q1 2025. Which model do you prefer, Black Dragon or Gold Dragon?